G'day. That is a female bower bird. You can see she's really mottledy colour. I don't know what she's eating over there. The males are blue, black. You know, the ones that collect the blue stuff and have that wonderful bower for the females that they make. So this is the female. The male isn't here, but I did see him. And there's two females here. In fact, there's more than two. There's another one. And the male is around here somewhere being nonchalant. Anyway, that's the female bower bird. Aussie birds. Rock. See ya. Just a little bit more. Beautiful. If the black male shows up, I'll try and get some of his. I'll try and get some footage of him, because he is beautiful too. But here you go. Sorry, I'm being quiet. Once again, Aussie birds rock.